Hi everyone, today I want to show you the projector I got from China. Actually I got from here, but China is still, you can buy from China straight, but I bought in Thailand, Bangkok here, because the guy gave me warranty and a bit price higher, but still have warranty or any problem, so I can replace easy rather than I send to China. This projector actually I review in the internet, YouTube. uh, there's a lot of people they make nowadays. This time the China he making the better projector than the last year. Nothing special here, easy setup, LED lamp and HD support, remote control, stereo speaker, mini LED projector. Actually it's not like mini, for me mini is like small size, but still this is big one, but this says it's mini, that's all, nothing special. So we just open it. I will make a review for projector and about how to set up and everything. Here's the projector only. Nothing, this power cable and these connector include, I think, this audio video. The amazing thing, they never write it here about the TV, but this projector support TV also. TV antenna TV, like a cable TV, regular. Mini projector user manual. This model is a RD805. Maybe you can see. Yeah. One here and then two here and three. I don't know, some kind of confusing things. You can see the channel. Anyway, it's nothing special. It's still just okay. Just two cables, power cable and okay, here it is. Cap, lens. So this side and this side, it's nothing. You can see here power on off switch, cable for antenna, TV, USB, HDMI, headphones, audio video, remote and VGA. And this side is nothing still. And here exactly 40 watt. Yeah. And up is only the power button here. Power button. So I will just plug in and I will show how is the quality and how to make a setup. So for my next video I will make, and part 2 you can say. So if you want more detail, you can go to click on my part 2. So okay, I will set up this projector and then I will make another video.